extra early today. Why am I up extra early, Mr. Pineapple?
We gotta go to the yarn store.
Because today is local yarn store day. Sorry, the car's all bumpy.
Yay!
Are you kids excited? Bruce, are you excited?
Yeah.
Jace?
Yay!
He's not excited, but I am. I'm super excited. I am going to my favorite local yarn store, which is not really local to me, but I'm going anyways, to the Yarn Garden. We love you, Lindsay. And Al's going to be there, so that'll be fun. And of course, I'm bringing my entourage, my pineapple peeps. So hopefully I'll see some of you guys there.
We're excited.
We are super excited, aren't we?
Yarn!
Yay! Maybe I'm excited and they're just faking it. But either way, we're going. Come over here. By me. My favorite son.
It's for your birthday. Bruce
You
bought
bought
it
me
for
something for my birthday? Okay, let me lay down the yarn I'm gonna buy.
That's the extra cheese.
Okay, well we'll take that out. Look at this. It's the set I want. Oh, you really are my favorite kid. Don't tell your siblings. It's so pretty.
Show what it is.
Okay, hold this for me. Okay, you guys, it is likey, I don't know, interchangeable knitting needles. Oh my goodness, I've been wanting these. They've got the cords are all in here, all the extra cords and stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, now I gotta make the birds of a feather. I've got a new knitting needle. I'm so excited.
What do you think was it?
Yarn. I thought it was yarn. I'm in a yarn store. This is so pretty. Thank you, baby. And so it keeps getting shorter. That hence short. That's so awesome. Tell us what we're doing now.
Tell us what we're doing?
Yeah,
I have a little bag for Holly for her birthday. For her
birthday.
your birthday month.
My birthday month. Okay, we are at the pizzeria next to the Yarn Garden, and I'm going to open up my birthday presents for my birthday month. Mr. Pineapple's messing with the camera angles. I love this wrapping paper. This is what didn't you wrap my like Christmas present?
Yes.
Pink flamingo salt and pepper shakers.
For the camper.
For the camper. Look at how cute they are.
Now we have to get that backslash stickers for
I found a backsplash for the camper that had flamingos on it, and he said no. Maybe I should live with Al. I love the salt and pepper shakers though. No, I love this pom-pom. That's a little rubber thing. I'm trying to shake it. Look at the pom-pom, you guys. It's got little black tips. I don't know if that's picking up on
It's like
camera.
blowing out the pink.
The pink is blowing it out. You can't see it. Trust me, it's amazing. I'm gonna put this on our keychain because Mr. Pineapple loves pom-poms on the keychain, right, darling?
Yeah.
He loves nothing more than to pull his keys
Actually,
out.
it's got an elastic band. I thought you could put it in your
It's gonna
hair.
go on it. Oh, in my hair.
Yeah.
I'll put a. Oh my gosh, that's happening. Stay tuned for the next podcast. I'll be wearing that. Aw, you got me a kitty pin. You guys remember this from YarnCon? It's probably not going to pick up because I can't cover my face very well. There we go, I got it. It's a kitty and it's got feet and a tail. I love the kitty pin. Oh, these buttons are adorable. There's a little unicorn and a fairy and a dragon. I'll borrow this napkin real quick. There we go. Well, that worked so well, actually. Apparently I need a napkin. Little bunny stickers, you guys. Again, put the napkin up to give it a back. Look
Little
at those.
bunny butts.
Yeah, little bunny butts. Al has this thing with butts, you guys.
Yes, I do. I sure do.
I really do like this paper. Where are you getting it?
Hobby Lobby.
I buy everything at Hobby Lobby. The only thing in my life I didn't get at Hobby Lobby was my husband. I had to go to the Tractor Supply store for that one.
Nice.
Gingers are us, right? That's a redheaded joke for all of you not following along, the redheaded thing. Let it be. Okay, turn it this way. Look at that. You guys know, on top of the yarn I'm obsessed over, and the flamingos, and the pineapples, and the leopard, I also love bees.
And it's also a Beatles song.
It is. Yes, Al is a huge Beatles fan. I was a
I've
moderate
heard of
Beatles fan.
Beatles.
He's heard one of their songs. Sing a song for the Beatles, honey.
Let it be.
Just kidding. Don't sing a song. We're gonna get flagged for like.
Yeah, that's true.
This paper is strong. The force is strong with this one. Star Wars thing.
You're supposed to tear it up, like you're
I'm
opening
trying.
everything backwards.
I'm trying. It's a birthday pin. Look at it, says, turn it that way till it focuses.
It says, I hope your birthday is lit.
Yes. My birthday was pretty awesome. I did end up getting my favorite soft serve ice cream. for my birthday.
I had to think about what was in there. Couldn't remember.
Al's a shopaholic and doesn't know what she buys anymore.
No, I have a special spot on my bookshelf
Okay.
just for stuff for
You
you.
guys, these are pinata socks.
Pinata.
Pinata socks. These are kitties and they don't match. Look, look, look. There's an orange one on this one, and we can't tell that one.
But it's also got a little ball of yarn.
And they got little balls of yarn. Oh my goodness. Those are my new favorites, besides the pinatas, because pinatas. What does this say? It's got a unicorn. I saw that. Always on point. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's got a little unicorn. So cute. Balloon dogs. I want to wear these right now, but I don't need them right now. Can you see the balloon dogs, you guys? Just little balloon dog socks. Where do you get these awesome socks at? Ow, my husband hit me. We're going to pause for a moment, guys. Okay, we had to get our plates. I'm trying to just like rip it open, but this paper's really strong, Al. What's a book?
Hammer shake.
It's that one that you,
Yes.
the violet shirt, the summer cottage. Okay. So everybody can see it. Isn't that?
It just got released.
It just got released. Al has been talking about this author. Oh, you got it signed for me.
Read what it says.
It says Holly XO or no, what's his name? Wade. Rowan?
Yeah.
Rowan?
No.
Rose.
Grouse.
Truly hope you love. Here's to traveling and adventures and dreams. Oh, it's so sweet. Look, you guys. Is it going to focus on it? Yes, there we go. She got it signed for me. Oh, that's so sweet of you. We have to pause for a minute because our food's coming. Dang it. And go. One more thing. Two more things. I don't know. Now it's crazy like that. I'm trying to rip it open. You got, that's why you told me not to get it. She got me the skein I needed from. Come on, focus on AJ's label. AJHC wools, you guys. I need this color called Neon Rainbow to do a design. Oh, and I was like, oh, I feel bad I didn't buy it. We were just at the yarn store and I was like, I gotta get it, but Al got it for me. Al's such a sweet friend. We like her. Is this the last one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, last one. We're gonna hurry before our pizza gets here. Oh, wow. You got these from Iron Wheel Farms?
Mm-hmm.
You ordered these in her sale, didn't you? Because I wanted them. She went behind my back and bought them. No, I get. She got to them first. You guys, look at these colors. If I block the whole screen, it will focus. Isn't this pretty? It's like pink and blue speckled. It's like me and Al. And get the tag up so you guys can get all their information. Come on, focus.
Pizza's coming.
There it is. So sweet of you, Al. I love this. This is like me and you.
I know.
It's not focusing on me. There it is. Hi. Hey, I love these. I'm gonna have to come up with another bestie shawl.
Mm-hmm.
Just to use these two. Thank you so much, Al.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna hug her in a minute, but we're gonna eat these. Oh, and
You
I
put all your stuff in
My
there.
stuff goes in here. Hey guys,